Hey everybody, CBQ here from Greenzie, back with another edition of How It Works, where we explain how our product works, diving into deeper detail to help you understand how to make the most out of autonomous mowing. Now today we'll be talking about the drive-by-wire system, how it controls, and thus how one manually drives or operates a mower equipped with Greenzie. Now the reason it's important is we and the folks at the manufacturers like Wright Manufacturing have trained a lot of people on mowers like the Autonomous Standard ZK, powered by Greenzie, and outfitted with Hydra Gear's SmartTech drive-by-wire system. And if it's your first time on a mower with these controls, you have to get accustomed to them, just like any other piece of equipment. I'll be honest, if you're expecting a lot of slush and unresponsive laggy control from equipment that's been in the field for years, like that old mower you got in the back, you're going to be pleasantly surprised that's not the case. Let's take a look at the hand controls, most often called lap bar left and lap bar right, owing to the sit-down mowers that they usually are on, although this is a stand-on, so we'll just say left bar and right bar. Now, most hydraulically powered mowers have control rods that go down to the pumps all the way to pull up and down that you can tighten or loosen and get bent over time to adjust the driving. Not so with this mower. These controls go to a sensor which reads and sends those exact signals to the drive-by-wire system, just like all modern cars. We've moved to this system for reliability, ease of operation, and precise control. Now, many of you will note that they do not have physical dampeners or dampers. They are incompatible with spring return controls. We've worked to tune these machines with the help of Hydra Gear, Wright Manufacturing. Yes, Mr. Ed Wright has been very hands-on here, and we've got it just right, and it ships from the factory this way. Adding more software dampening makes the machine feel a little bit laggy and can result in overcorrecting and jerking. And on the other side of that, making the machine more responsive will eliminate that laggy feeling, but then it makes it too easy to swerve from just a small bump in the controls. Now, we've had some reports from folks who jump on and immediately want it to change or tune it more. I can say that having worked with operators who have had multiple seasons of mowing, they love the responsiveness and controls, even though they're only manually mowing boundaries and the detailed work. Remember, the mower mows autonomously the larger turf areas. We recommend a minimum of 8 hours of driving experience before utilizing the autonomous if you're new to this particular system. We also recommend you keep your hand on the stationary bar. New operators should be introduced to the machine with the engine at idle until they are accustomed to the controls. This is how Wright Manufacturing has been introducing new operators to the stand-on machines starting 25 years ago. Now, the Greenzie software has extremely responsive control underlying, as well as RPM and throttle control for smooth turns, straight line tracking, and we do it all via software. We're really only talking about the manual operation. Okay, that wraps us up. As always, let us know in the comments what you want to see us explain about anything about how our product works.